Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Japan, and the link and coupon will be in the description. And let's go. Alright, step 1, and open description in the video and click on link Voyafly eSIM and open website voyafly.com and click on this and write yes, and click on this and open new page and scroll down and click on or unlimited data or fixed data. Alright, and choose speed plane, light, plus or premium. I recommend plus, maybe premium, and select days and click on I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, this service number 1 for eSIM in the world, and click on discount code and write RAM tips and click on apply. Alright, order discount $20. This is very good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write contact, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now and buy eSIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.